As your business evolves, you might find a need to change your registered agent. If LegalZoom currently serves as your registered agent, this explanation will guide you through the process of removing them and appointing a new one. It's a straightforward procedure, but understanding the steps ensures a smooth transition and continued compliance with state regulations. Here's a breakdown of how to remove LegalZoom as your registered agent. The process: appoint a new registered agent. Before you can remove LegalZoom, you must have a successor lined up. Your new registered agent can be yourself or a member of your company. If you meet the state's requirements, typically being a resident with a physical address in the state and being available during business hours. Another individual, someone you trust who resides in the state and is available during business hours. A commercial registered agent service, another professional company that specializes in this service. Obtain the necessary forms. Each state has its own specific form for changing a registered agent. You can typically find this form on the website of your state's Secretary of State or equivalent business registration authority. Look for terms like change of registered agent, statement of change, or similar. Complete the state form. Carefully fill out the change of registered agent form. You will need to provide your company's name, your company's formation or registration number, often found on your incorporation documents, the name and physical address of your current registered agent, LegalZoom, the name and physical address of your new registered agent. If you are using a commercial service, you will also provide their registered agent listing address, the effective date of the change. This is usually the date you file the form, your signature, or the signature of an authorized representative of your company. Submit the form and filing fee. Once the form is completed, you will need to submit it to the designated state authority. This is often done online by mail or in person. Most states require a filing fee to process a change. Check your state's website for the current fee and accepted payment methods. Notify LegalZoom, optional but recommended, while submitting the official state form is a legal requirement. It's a good practice to also inform LegalZoom directly that you're terminating their registered agent services. This can help avoid any potential confusion or continued billing. You can usually find contact information and procedures for canceling services on their website or by contacting their customer support. Confirm the change. After submitting the form, the state will typically process it and send you confirmation of the change. Keep this confirmation for your records. You can often also check the state's online business registry to verify that the new registered agent information is updated. Maintain accurate records. After successfully changing your registered agent, ensure your internal company records are updated with a new registered agent's information and contact details. This will prevent any important legal or tax correspondence from being misdirected in the future.